loss of power, excessive oil consumption, or poor fuel economy are signs it may be time to rebuild the engine in your Caterpillar C15. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Rebuild your engine with an in-frame rebuild kit for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. We only provide new, high-quality parts in our Caterpillar C15 in-frame rebuild kits. Each part follows strict OE specifications and tolerances and is built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting durability. This in-frame kit comes with 6 cylinder kits consisting of liners and O-rings, forged steel pistons for less expanding and contracting than traditional pistons, high-performance piston pins with retainers, and piston ring sets. Tri-metal construction rod and main bearings for ultimate durability, keeping your engine's crankshaft moving. Oil pan gasket kit, exhaust manifold assembly gaskets, and a complete upper engine gasket kit to properly seal up your C15. Engine break-in is critical. Be sure to follow the proper break-in procedure to avoid engine complications with oil consumption, fuel economy, and engine power. And don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.